Good morning, everyone. Yes, how are you people? I hope you are doing best, right? Yes. So, we have already done word problems, which is based on subtraction, right? So, now take out your maths book and maths fair copy. And now we will start chapter 7. Chapter 7 name is multiplication. So, take out your maths book and maths copy, and now open the new page in copy. And yes, so now first thing is mention the date first. Date is 4th of September 2020. Yes, so chapter 7, first heading chapter 7, chapter name is multiplication. multiplication, right? Yes. So multiplication as repeated addition. So these are apples, yes. So there are three groups, right? There are three groups of 2 apples each, right? Yes. So now consider 3 groups of 2 apples each. 3 groups and 1 group has 2 apples. So 3 groups of 2 apples each. So how many apples are there in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Yes. So now we check 1, 2. One group has 2 apples. 2 plus 2, all means addition, and 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6, right? Yes. So 2 taken 3 times, right? Yes. So we write 2 taken 3 times. If 2 taken 3 times and then add is equals to 6. So is equals to 6, or 3 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 2. 3 times 2. 2 taken 3 times and 3 times 2 is equals to 6. And we write it as 2 apples. And how many times of apples are? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So 3, 2 into 3 is 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. And 2 taken 3 times. So 2 into 3 is 6. Right? 2 into 3 is 6. And in short, and we called as 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. And in short, we say that 2 into 3 is equals to 6. 2 into 3 is equals to 6. Right? Yes. And we also say that 2 and 3 is product of 2 and 3 is 6. Right? Yes. And 2 into 3 is called a multiplication fact. So 2 into 3 equals to 6 is called as multiplication fact. Called as multiplication fact. Right? Yes. Now we again explain. Now I will again explain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 apples and there are 3 groups. So 3 groups of 2 apples each, right? Now how many apples are there in all? So 2 groups, 2 apples in each group. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to 6. So 2 taken 3 times, 1, 2, 3. 2 taken 3 times is equals to 6. It means, or 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is equals to 6. So 2 into 3 is 6 and 3 into 2 is 6. And we write it as 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. And in short, we say that 2 into this sign of into or multiplication, 3 is equals to 6. And 2 into 3 is equals to 6 is called as multiplication fact. Right? Yes. Okay, thank you so much class and have a nice day.